Searching for the perfect space for how you live? Here at HHHunt, we design our apartment homes, new construction homes, and planned communities with you in mind, ensuring that we design spaces ideal for... See what we did there? You control what goes in the blank. Let's check out how our spaces are ideal for how you live. We know entertaining is important, and our spaces are perfect for hosting gatherings. They incorporate open concept floor plans, spacious kitchens, and outdoor living areas for socializing with friends and family. HHHunt offers homes for all life stages, from singles to families with children and even empty nesters. We provide a range of floor plans in apartment communities and new construction homes. We recognize the importance of remote work and fitness and design spaces for dedicated home offices and gyms. These spaces ensure flexibility and functionality, and our apartment communities feature 24-hour fitness centers. HHHunt accommodates residents and homeowners' unique hobbies by designing flexible spaces like bonus rooms for crafting, music, reading, or other interests. Garages are also tailored for hobbies. We are proud to be pet-friendly, offering amenities like dog parks, pet spas, and pet-friendly outdoor spaces in our apartment and planned communities. New home floor plans include pet-friendly features like in-home dog spas and easy-to-clean flooring. HHHunt prioritizes the needs and preferences of homeowners and residents, aiming to create spaces that enhance your lifestyle. We believe it's how you live that matters, and hope our housing options cater to your diverse needs. Learn more at HHHunt.com.